Here you are, guys, a simple trade plan for this week. Let's find a trade. The series that gives you money-making trade ideas that work. In this video, we're going to look at the live charts for potential setups. We're using a simple strategy from our textbook, My Trendline Breakout Strategy, how you can make money trading Forex. The strategy has shown itself to be successful in a live trading account. We believe anyone can learn to apply this strategy and make money from home. Here's a disclaimer, it's required by law. Please subscribe and share as you see value. And remember, we enter all trades with risk. Let's get to it. Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. We're going to find a trade today. That is a series we're running. And the trade in particular that we're looking at is the Canadian yen. I think it's been on our radar for a little while now. CAD yen. It's been on the radar for a little while now. We've got a series of higher highs, then all of a sudden lower low, lower high. Today seems to be a lower high. But very interesting about this pair is that it has not yet broken the trend line. Okay, very simple. It hasn't broken the trend line. Here's the trade. This can be a short video as you like. Break of trend line. Boom. Lovely void here to head to aim for. Okay, we'll put the lipstick on once this breaks. But of course, for us, it's just going to be our usual TP1, TP2. And we're going to take our profit in the safe zone. Okay. We don't know for sure if it's going to make it down to here. That's in this box here. We don't. Okay. So it's much better for us to take our profit in the safe zone. Okay, guys. This is a beautiful trade setup. Notably, we've had some wonderful trades recently. If I can just share that with you. One of the trades that we had, and very recently, was the posted a video in our Telegram group. That was the trade on the let's have a look. All the way over here. It was the trade on Wall Street there. That's the Dow Jones. And we've seen an amazing, didn't we predict this? Damn. We did, right? Let's just put our, right? Remember, when we did the video, you know, it was going up and up. And then it was going even up and up. We did a video somewhere around here. In fact, it was last week. And on the day of posting it, which was the Tuesday, I did a video on the Monday. By the time I posted it on Tuesday, we were already, so I posted it on the Monday. I think this will prove to be true. The 7th, then the weekend, so the 10th was the Monday. So I recorded the video on this day here. And then by the time I posted it on the Tuesday, already broken that somewhat of a trend line. We was below the moving average there. And just the predicted collapse. Good Lord. Of course, profit will be taken in the safe zone. Back to the 200. Now, I'm showing you this on, look, it's the hour chart. This is just a piece of the pie. There is a bigger trade at play. And that needs to be understood. Let me just clear these drawings. And then let's do this. Let's take you to the higher time frame chart. Because some of these trades are just exceptionally beautiful. It's nice to share. There you go. Trading is fractal. brutal. What happens on the higher time frames happens on the lower time frame. So we just saw on the hourly chart, and you saw something like this, boom, on the hourly chart. The video that I've done is expecting that to happen on the daily chart. So just as I just showed you on the hourly chart, you know, we came up, we broke, and then we went up, and we're just way up here. Where we're watching this trade, break of that trend line. Whoosh. Okay. And the reason why we're still watching that is because of historicity. We've seen it happen in the past. We've seen it happen in the past, and we've seen it happen further back in the past. So we're expecting that to be just a phenomenal trade. Okay. Quite interesting is this other trade we took last week. This was the pound dollar. Remember, I put a picture in the group, in our Telegram group. It was a beautiful head and shoulder topic. And if I can find a thing, it was a pound USD, was it not? Maybe I don't have it. Of course I have it. There it is. Yeah, it was a pound. So if I'm going to show you this one, it was again another beautiful trade. And there we are. Notice we have a template for the setup. So and here it is. We're on the hourly chart. Okay, let's drop down to the 15-minute chart because that's so beautiful. Okay. Notice, by the way, if you did this line here represents where price is actually right now. Okay, and trading it does exactly that. Here was the head and shoulders. Here was the neckline break. Here was a target where we did get out. Okay, and notice if you didn't get out, price has gone all the way back up. Be tagging you at what, break even? Okay. So it just emphasizes the importance, because the market goes up and down all day long. And it just shows you the importance of when you get in a trade, beautiful head and shoulders. When you're getting in a trade, it really is necessary to have a clearly defined target. For whatever reason, your target has been defined. Have a clearly defined reason for getting in, a clearly defined reason for getting out, so that you become a master in taking profit. Okay. That's the job. Now, looking at this trade now, beautiful. So price has come back into this vicinity here. I think there's a lot more room and reason for price to come down here. Hey, I'm not a billionaire. If I could read the market with extreme accuracy, right, I would be. But I do know my strategy. So if and when price breaks below the trend line, remember this is what the strategy is. Okay, I'll be in it. Okay. And typically price will break, pull back, and then be on its way to a specific area. Okay, that's what I call the safe zone. Okay, down here, yeah, it might reach is where you put a runner, but in the safe zones where you want to be king, you gotta be able to identify that zone, that area, that vicinity where you are king. This is the pound dollar, so it can be a rocket. Okay, so we'll keep an eye on them. Anyway, a couple of trades presented. Hey, we had a lot of them that succeeded last week. Let's see how we do this week. Thanks for joining me. Please remember to like, subscribe, share. Well, let's get to 1,000 members on the, we can do in hopefully in the Telegram group. And by all means, if you click on the links below, you'll be able to join us. Free entry to our Telegram group. And also the, 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining us. Look forward to speaking with you on the next trade. Thank you again, and bye-bye.